What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the chicken jockey from the Minecraft movie. Let's start today's lesson in the center page and draw two rectangles for the eyes. Let's leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. Draw a straight line going across the top. Come down the sides of the shorter line. And it'll flatten off the bottom. And I want to line this up over on the right side and do the same thing. Coming down, across the top of the eyes, and we'll close that off. Now on the side, we're going to step in, draw the edge of the pupils with a straight line. And then on the top left side, draw a small square for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's go in between the eyes and draw a curve for the nose. We're going to go up and then down, round at the bottom, and just pull that up towards the center. And I'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's give our character a smile. Starting on the left, bend this down, and then up, and then add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's step down, add a small curve for the chin. Let's add some wrinkles across the forehead. On the left side, curve this up and then down, and draw a shorter curve across the top. Now let's go out and draw two straight lines across the side of the head. And start on the top left, come all the way down towards the bottom, to right about there. Let's line at the top over on the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's round out the corner of the head, go straight across underneath the chin, and then round out the bottom. Let's go back and round out the top corners of the head, go straight across, and we'll bend that down. Now on the side of the head, let's curve the ears, going out and then in. And we'll go up to the top and separate the hair. Let's start on the left. We go up, come down and up. Now it's going to continue to add a zigzag going all the way across the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the right arm. We'll start underneath the head, bend this around, and then in towards the wrist. And we want to draw three fingers. We're going to come down, up, and then back out. Let's layer two more fingers in behind. Starting from the bottom, going down, up, and out. Do that one more time. Now we're going to go across the top of the forearm, and then down towards the outside of the arm. From the top of the forearm, draw a short line going up, and then go to the center of the head and add the collar, coming down and up. Let's draw the head of the chicken in underneath the hand. We're going to start up here, draw a straight line going across, come straight down towards the beak. Now we're going to draw a large rectangle, just extending on the left side, come down the sides, and then we'll flatten this off. And then we'll split the beak with a straight line going across. Now we're going to move over towards the side. Let's curve the body going up and in, go underneath the head, bend the arm going out and then down. Let's add two square eyes. And we'll fill the eyes in black. Now over on the left side of the head, we're just going to draw the edge of the hand going out and back in on top. Let's go underneath the hand on the right side. Draw the back of the chicken's head coming down towards the bottom. Now over on the outside of the arm, draw the back coming down, round out the back and pull that in, step up, draw the leg coming all the way down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's round out the foot, go all the way around towards the base of the neck and then back out. Now we're going to step up, draw the edge of the shorts going up and then down. Let's move up again, draw a straight line going across the hip. Now we're going to go back to the beak, just in the center, come down, across and up with a rectangle. Then underneath, come down towards the bottom of the body. Let's round out the body, go straight across towards the right side. Round this out, and go up. Just going to line this up with the bottom. and pull that back in. Now let's add the legs underneath. We're going to start all the way over on the right side, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. Now we're going to draw 2 toes. Go this down, up, round out the toe, and then pull that back. Let's add another toe, going out and back in towards the ankle, and go straight up underneath the body. Now we're going to repeat that over on the left side. So we step over, come all the way down towards the same height, and then we'll repeat those same steps. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's our chicken jockey from the Minecraft movie. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.